It was all Greek to me. دا ټول زما د پوهې نه بهر و. It was all Greek to me. He has been here since yesterday. هغه د پرون راسي دلته دی. He has been here since yesterday. Why were you in a hurry then? ستا په هغې وخت کې تادي ولې وه؟ Why were you in a hurry then? I have many friends. زما ډېر شي ملګري دي. I have many friends. You have a bad cold. ستا ډېره سخته یخني ده. You have a bad cold. When will we meet again? مونږ به بیا کله میلاویږو. When will we meet again? یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ مونږ به بیا کله ملاقات کوو. I did it for you. ما دا ستا دپاره وکړو. I did it for you. I have no money. ما سره پیسې نشته. I have no money. Do you know him? آیا ته هغه پیژنې؟ Do you know him? I will call you tomorrow. سبا به درته فون وکم. I will call you tomorrow. Don't you go to see the cinema? آیا ته سینما کتوله نه ځې؟ Don't you go to see the cinema? Keep it up to yourself. دا خبره د ځان پورې وساته. Keep it up to yourself. I don't know him. زه هغه نه پیژنم. I don't know him. Do they go out for the morning walk? آیا هغوی د سحر چکر د پاره بهر ته وځي؟ Do they go out for the morning walk? He hates the poor. د هغه غریبانان بدي شي. He hates the poor. Why do you talk such nonsense? ته داسې بکواس ولې کوې؟ Why do you talk such nonsense? Does he not obey you? آیا هغه ستا خبره نه مني؟ Does he not obey you? A word twice is enough. هوښیار له اشاره پوره ده. A word twice is enough. Do you know how to swim? آیا تا له لامبه درځي؟ Do you know how to swim? Did you try? کوشش دې وکړو. Did you try? I don't feel at home here. دلته مې زړه نه لګي. I don't feel at home here. Do you know how to play the harmonium? آیا تا له هارمونیم بجا وهل درځي؟ Do you know how to play the harmonium? I said many thanks to him. ما هغه ته ډېر څه ووی. I said many thanks to him. You are so innocent. ته ډېر بولی. You are so innocent. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ ته ډېر معصوم یې. He is doing his best. هغه خپل پوره محنت کوي. He is doing his best. Who do you want to meet? ته د چا سره میلاوېده غواړې؟ Who do you want to meet? It's raining in torrents. تیز باران وریږي. It's raining in torrents. He is a hard-hearted person. هغه سختزړی انسان دی. He is a hard-hearted person. یعنی هغه سخت زړه والی انسان دی. He is not going there. هغه خلته نزي. He is not going there. How do you go to office? ته دفتر ته څنګه ځې؟ How do you go to office? He is fulfilling his promise. هغه خپل لوز پوره کوي. He is fulfilling his promise. She was a beautiful girl. هغه ښکلې جینۍ وه. She was a beautiful girl. The wind is blowing hard. تیزه هوا چلیږي. The wind is blowing hard. I am very happy with you. زه ستا نه ډېر خوشحاله یم. I am very happy with you. The house is being built. کور جوړولی کیږي. The house is being built. It's not worthwhile. دا د فایدې سودا نه ده. It's not worthwhile. The road is being repaired. د سړک مرمت کیږي. The road is being repaired. He had come after a long. هغه ډیر وخت پس راغلی و. He had come after a long. I have done my duty. ما خپل فرض ادا کړی. I have done my duty. I breathed a sigh of relief. ما د سکون ساه واغست. I breathed a sigh of relief. We have lost a lot of money. مونږ ډیره پیسه د لاسه ورکړي. We have lost a lot of money. Your face reminds me of someone. ستا مخ ماته د چا یاد راولي. Your face reminds me of someone. Have you heard the news? آیا تا خبر واورید؟ Have you heard the news? They have not made a good bargain. هغوی ښه سودا نه ده کړې. They have not made a good bargain. I always stand by you. زه تل ستا ملګرتیا کوم. I always stand by you. He has kept us in the dark. هغه مونږ تیاره کې ساتلی یو. He has kept us in the dark. He had stood by me. هغه زما ملګرتیا کړې وه. He had stood by me. He has not acted upon my advice. هغه زما صلاح ونه منله. He has not acted upon my advice. Are you listening to me? آیا ته زما خبره اورې؟ Are you listening to me? He has resigned from his job. هغه د خپلې نوکرۍ نه استعفا ورکړې ده. He has resigned from his job. We really lived a good life. مونږ رښتیا سره ښه ژوند تیر کړو. We really lived a good life. I am proud of you. زه په تا فخر کوم. I am proud of you. He was fast asleep. هغه په جوور خوب اوده و. He was fast asleep. Was he fast asleep? آیا هغه په جوور خوب اوده و؟ Was he fast asleep? Don't walk barefoot. خپې ابله خپې مه ګرځه. Don't walk barefoot. I have been studying since then. زه د هغې وخت راڅې مطالعه کوم. I have been studying since then. He had his bath early in the morning. هغه سحر وختي ولامبل. He had his bath early in the morning. Enjoyed a lot. ډېر لطفاندوز شو. Enjoyed a lot. I have to wash the clothes. ما لره جامې وینځل دي. I have to wash the clothes. Does this road lead to Peshawar? آیا دا سړک پېښور ته وتی؟ Does this road lead to Peshawar? He has just left. هغه ای دی وس لاړ. He has just left. I will materialize the dream. زه به خوب رښتیا کړم. I will materialize the dream. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.